Previously on Losing It, the wait is over. On your mark, get set, go.
I'm not making excuses here. All I'm saying is, Andre is faster than people think.
Yes, Andre.
Yeah.
I'm the person that everybody loves to hate. Sauce?
Gavin just chat too much.
And I'm good with it. I love this.
If you cuss me, you make it worse. So it don't motivate me.
They want somebody motivate me. Me not nobody for motivate me, but me know me I do.
Life short and the TV show nice.
From me lose the weight, me get bow leg. Me don't know where that come from.
The temperature was definitely high last week and everyone was throwing words. Hopefully this week they'll put that energy into something else. I'm your host Tyler Suarez and this is Losing It, the wait is over. The trainers have been working hard with the teams week after week, but how have they been coping?
Okay, guys, we're going to do some ab work today because you guys say you want to have a six-pack before the show is over, right? So we're going to do some serious ab work with the TRX. So let's go. I gave them some strength training yesterday. We were trying to do some core work, but it wasn't really happening as the way we planned it. 10. Non-stop, please. 10. 1. Not like that, Andre. So we kind of change it up, tweak it a little bit, and we're more working on strength because they have been doing a lot of, especially Kerry, doing a lot of ab work. Every night we do abs.
I give her that one. She win. Every week I come here and no matter what she throw at me, I try to do my best and do it. But they said they never did that work. Cause the TRX something there.
All right, keep going.
No, not for me. Cause, well, it just shows me that I don't really know how to manage my body weight yet.
To tell you the truth, the both of them have no coordination. Andre's a little bit better than Kerry, but the coordination. Right in Andre, 5, 6. But they're getting there.
I had my feet up in the air and I was trying to not repeat what was happening with the wheelbarrow exercise by trying to stay up on my hands for a bit.
You can't go up on your hands?
I couldn't, so I went down on my elbows and then tried to do this mountain climbing exercise. I think it came out more like fish trying to swim in the air and it just didn't work out. One foot went one way, the other one went the other way, and I was trying to get them to in some sort of order and it just didn't fly.
You know, honest, me never see what Andrea do because me I try focus, forget it right. Me I try figure out if I have stay up on my hand or go up on my elbow and how me dry in my foot and them something there. So me never did a look for Andre this week. Me did have my own struggle go on.
At home, I think I challenged myself a little bit more because I know that I'm the only one there and 1, 2, 3. If I don't do it, it's not gonna happen. So I do a range of exercises and I'm not too sure if I'm doing them too soon one after the other, but I do find myself literally dripping and tired at the end of it.
Losing it. Season 3.
Relax, breathe out. Try and reach, straighten the knees. Okay, all right, roll up. Roll up, 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 up. Okay, that's it for you guys.
All right, so guys, we're going to do a very nice workout today, all right? We're going to burn some good calories that probably new to you. And we're going to get ourselves more, established in this thing, proper form and everything, all right? So that later on we can weigh less. All right, so we're ready?
Master Bryan go and come back with a different energy.
Keep it going.
Cause him give you some things to try. I mean, if I treat to go down to the finals or what, but him give you some things to kill with, trust me. Him go hard.
All right, switching up. Well, yes, I came back with fire in my eyes because of my expectation. I go over this and you come over here for burpees. I think that, you know, if you're focused and after doing this thing for a little while and understanding, there must be some understanding of what it takes now for you to push forward.
Well, the boxing exercise was...
Licky bag, like you punch me. Since you want to punch me, yeah.
My hand them feel weak because I used to them thumping thing there, so my hand them kind of feel weak when I do it. And they must say punch harder, punch harder.
Whoa, the punching bag.
Come on, faster with the punches them now. Ben, you need some.
Punching bag hard. I drain out every energy in your hand. The part of the hard part. For punch the bag.
I applied boxing workout because I know that it activates some sort of internal intensity. You know, doing it over and over and over, you're able to push yourself. You want to hit harder.
Punch.
You want to hit stronger, you want to hit faster. And so basically I gave them that because I wanted to do a longer duration of it to see if we can get into a fat calorie burning zone. You know, I think we just managed to get there. I think we could have done like maybe 10 more rounds for them to understand what they are capable of doing.
Body feel flexible. Feel like I'm ready for going on a spice video them. Because certain things I'm going to do, can't do it, you know.
Well, I think there are some persons out there that are inspired by my team. Begin. And I'm going to be honest. I think there could have been a lot more. Because most of what I hear when I go to people, like persons, and they said, they're cheering for red team, you know, Master Bryan, they're cheering for your team. But I want you to kill them. I want you to give them more exercise because I'm too lazy. You know, that's what people say to me.
Power walk it, power walk it. I'm telling you something, it's not easy. It's rough. Enough things we have to do. And some exercise them and a simple something. Some of them not remember when they name, but they're not easy.
All right, good work, good work. Good work.
All right, blue team, ready again? Ready again?
If the devil is anything like Shevon, I'm going back to church because, yo, it's serious. You know what I tell you? Say, yo, like the man say, yo, you see this box area basketball, like, I managed to jump up on this. I'm like, let me try. And then he was like, yeah, man, I'll give you 2 sets or whatever. And then it ended up being sets of 20, sets of 15, sets, you know what I mean? But it was, and I felt that exercise the next day, you know what I mean?
The training, it was more of upper body. So then you do a lot of weightlifting between 5 and 10 pounds. It was a bit difficult after probably the 3rd set because it started to work on your armpit. So it was harsh, but then you continue.
You need strength training. So it's not just about cardio and running up and down. It's like, you know, you need a mixture. So yesterday was basically a heavy training for both of them. I just tell them to push hard and just try your best to finish the program.
The workouts have gotten harder. That was like, you're doing the clean and press and him say 20, and on your 3rd set he say cool, and him say
20 curl.
See that?
Yeah.
20 bicep curls with the same weight right away, and I'm just like, boy, oh boy, you know what I mean? I just try to find a way to count the numbers in my head to make them seem less.
When I started jumping up on the box, I know it was punishment. I knew it was punishment, and then he further go on to say that both of your exercise will be slightly different. So then, because even though I never get to come at the gym, I was in dialogue and he knew everything, but Gavin is the bad one, so he feel like he's his own man, so then that's what he got, the box.
For Gavin, the box, well, I know Gavin doing basketball, so he's supposed to can jump up on that box with ease. And that workout is not an easy workout. Trust me, it's very rough. That program that I give him, I was proud of him because he finished the program and him do it straight through.
We lost a good considerable amount of weight, most people, except for Jason. But I'm still heavy, so it took a lot for me to get on the box. But I just said to myself that I'm not going to fall on camera because I know, like, if you even saw that video, or the same basketball video, when I fall or anything like that happens, it goes viral, so I can't afford to drop. So that was all in my mind, just get up on the box, don't make your foot slip, don't drop.
When we get back, it's a dance class that definitely gets the blood pumping. Go do some squats while we go to a break. Losing It will be right back.